is compact on the outside, yet it's incredibly spacious on the inside. It can seat 7 and is more fuel efficient than a hatchback. That's the Honda Mobilio for you, an MPV based on the Amaze and Brio platform. The front has been souped up a bit, but the average person will need to look quite hard to spot the differences. Hint, the changes are in the bumper and the fat chrome grille mainly, to give it a slightly more macho look. The rear looks pretty nice with the wraparound tail lamps and floating roof, giving it a station wagon-like feel. The Amaze platform has been stretched to 4,386mm for the Mobilio, and wheelbase is a generous 2,652mm. What's amazing about the Mobilio though is the space inside it. It's a 3-row 7-seater which offers excellent flexibility in space. With all rows in place, you still get 223 liters of boot space, bigger than most hatchbacks and enough for 2 big suitcases. Flip and fold the 50-50 split third row and you free up a large sedan rivaling 521 liters of space. The middle row too can be folded for even more flexibility.
I have to say the Honda Mobilio has one of the best middle rows as far as MPVs go. This row is fairly comfortable, you have a lot of leg room, and you have things like a drop-down armrest which add to the comfort, and you can also recline the seat if you want to. Not only that, you can also push it forward and backward to increase legroom for the rear passengers, which by the way, for the third row, is not really bad.
There are enough comfort features in the middle row too, such as an AC panel in the roof which has a separate condenser and blower to increase cooling at the rear. Getting into the third row is fairly easy, but you do have to crouch a bit.
Now the third row in any MPV is usually a punishment posting because you really don't have much space, but not so with the Mobilio. This is one of the most spacious third rows you could find among MPVs in this segment. Not only that, you also have things like being able to recline the backrest for added comfort, and you have decent knee room over here, except that probably you need a little raise because of the high floor, but otherwise this row is fairly comfortable and very usable as a third row.
The nice large windows make sure passengers won't really get claustrophobic back there. The beige interiors may be a pain to keep clean, but again add to that feeling of space. The Mobilio isn't that great on the features list though. It's got what you expect. 2 airbags and ABS ensures safety. The dashboard is the same as the Brio and Amaze, but the instrument panel is slightly different with blue rings surrounding the 3-port meter console. It doesn't have automatic climate control or speed sensing locks, or extra charging points even. But it has steering audio controls, powered outside mirrors and power windows as standard.
So right now I'm driving the Mobilio diesel, which has the 1.5 liter ID Tech diesel that puts out 100 bhp of power and 200 Nm of torque. This engine is very familiar because it's in the Amaze and the Honda City. But here what Honda has done is that they have lowered the gear ratios a bit, and that has made a world of difference to this car, the Mobilio. Pickup is instant, hardly any turbo lag, and they've also worked on the NVH levels a bit, which means it's fairly refined inside the cabin. You hardly hear the engine noise in here.
What's even better is the ground clearance. The 15-inch 185 width tires are the widest this platform has seen, and it has got an SUV rivaling 189mm of ground clearance, which is pretty reassuring. Body roll is hardly evident, and it drives pretty much like a car.
I think this car has kind of got it pretty sorted in the segment. As far as MPVs go, nothing much to crib about here.
What's really good is the fuel efficiency. 24.2 kilometers to the liter. Even during our drive, we got close to 20 kilometers per liter overall. That will be one of its biggest selling points. Overall, for someone looking for a versatile vehicle that can seat 7 and carry luggage, with car-like handling and of course excellent fuel efficiency, the Honda Mobilio seems to be the near-perfect vehicle in its segment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews of the latest cars in India.